Hello there, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Lily, and on this channel I share videos related to hair, skincare, beauty, you name it, everything feminine and beautiful. So definitely, if you are interested, definitely do subscribe. And then also, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate you. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I flat iron my hair without blow drying, and this is a very simple way. Trust me, there is a whole routine with flat ironing your hair, starting from your cleansing process to how you're going to sleep. So there's a way you should do it in the safest way. So that's how I did it, and so I just thought it would be nice to share it on my channel as well. So without further ado, I don't like talking so much, I just like to show you. So definitely, if you're interested in how I achieve this beautiful, bouncy straightened look, definitely do keep on watching. Okay, so then see you at the end of the video. I just let my hair air dry, and this is it. So you need clips, and then combs, and a hairband, and oil. So the reason why you need oil is to protect the hair and to add shine. The oils I'm using are coconut oil, avocado oil, and olive oil. These oils are actually high when it comes to melting point, so that means they're going to protect your hair. So if you're passing the heat over the hair, it's actually going to work on the oil, melt the oil before it actually touches your hair, so it's not really damaging your hair. So this is one tip for you when you're straightening your hair: make sure you're using oils that have a high melting point so that it's protecting your hair. Okay, and then also you can use any hair serum of your choice. So yeah, for me, I like to use a hair serum after I've straightened the hair, just to give it some nice shine. You need obviously a flat iron. So yeah, let's just get started. When it comes to flat ironing, you have to take a good amount of section. It shouldn't be too thin and it shouldn't be too bulky. So I think this section is okay, it's good enough. First thing is, I take in some oil, and then comb. Just like to comb through for even distribution of the oil. So I just use my discretion, and yeah, it came out perfect. Okay, yeah, that's enough. And then getting my oil. It's best to always oil your ends. Your ends are the most important, so it's best to protect your ends. Okay, so let's move on to the other sections. I'm using my hand to, fill the section. The section has to be thin enough, but at the same time thick enough so that it doesn't burn your hair. And then hold the both. So today, so yesterday after flat ironing my hair, I didn't really do anything else but wrap my hair and then go straight to bed. But then seeing the results has been fantastic. I think that's what you should normally do if you have straights in your hair. You should just, when you're going to bed, make sure you wrap your hair and then use your satin scarf. Wrapping your hair is like, straightening your hair, like a heatless way of straightening your hair. So it's the right way to comb your hair is from the ends. Always comb starting from your ends, because that way you can prevent breakages as you move along like this. It's smoother. If you start like this, it's easier. And straight, go off. You have to be really careful and cautious about straightness, or it can actually damage your hair. So that's how come I'm actually taking all these precautionary steps. Okay, so I think now, so I like to check if the section is thick enough or it's too thin enough, because the straightening, for your straightening to be done well, it depends on how you section the hair. If it's too bulky, it's not going to be straight enough, and if it's too thin, it's going to burn the hair. Okay, so this is fine. Right now I'm oiling my ears, so that even if I get the iron on my ears, it's not going to burn me. End of the video, and I hope you learned something new. I hope this video was helpful, because I shared tips on how to flat iron your hair the healthiest and the safest way, and this is how I flat iron my hair. I also believe that one actually saves power, so, and the most effective also for me is flat iron. So just do away with blow drying. And thank you so much for watching. If you've watched this point, I'd really love it if you hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. It really does help to encourage me. And also, if you've watched to the end of this video, comment down below with lipstick emoji. I think that would be very encouraging to see a lot of lipstick emojis in my comments. Okay, so that's the end. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.